poppin', YouTube? We're back with another unboxing, unpackaging video. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm pretty stoked. As you guys know, I am a aggressive gamer. I have a tendency to get a little agitated when it comes to games. As you can see on the Golf with Friends streams, we got a little rowdy, and you know, we broke a, we didn't, I mean, it's kind of broke. I mean, it pretty much is broke. We kind of smashed our mouse too hard because a little rage inducing because I'm bad at the game. I'm not really bad. I was doing really well, then all just went downhill, and I kind of beat my mouse too hard, so kind of the clickies don't want to work. But I'm sorry for all the screaming and stuff in the beginning. I'm super excited, super excited, because we get to unpackage my new little gaming mouse today, and I'm pretty stoked. I like computer stuff. I like stuff. You like stuff. He, she, we all like stuff. And we gotta, you know, find something to open it up with. So let me go ahead and look, and then we'll continue on. We'll get to opening this. I'm super excited. I can't contain my excitement. Let me go find something to open this bag with.
A few moments later.
So we're not going to do anything extravagant on this one because this isn't a box. As you can clearly see, this is bag. Epic bag. Pretty stoked. I got all my stuff blocked out with black paint marker so you guys know some address and all this other information for my safety. But we're super excited. I got some pink scissors. Pink. But without further ado, we got our pink scissors because, you know, pink's awesome. Remember, don't do that. That's not safe. We're doing this for safety. You know, we got the bag here. Let's go ahead and just, you know, chop this bad boy up. We got some good scissors, you know, good scissors. Throw the scissors down. Trash. We're not gonna eat that. I actually have a trash can for that. Yeet. Go ahead and look at it. Look at it. Is it sweet? I bet you it is sweet. Let's go ahead and pull this bad boy out. Woo! The box is sick. Big yeet. Okay, I just knocked Pikachu off my monitor. Oops, my bad, Pikachu. Let's pick you back up. Let's pick you back up. I'll have you hang out. Hang it back up. I'm sorry, buddy. Didn't mean for you to hurt. We got a order from Ghost, which is a place that sells keyboards, keyboard accessories like keycaps, custom keyboards, all this other stuff. They also have mice, and this was on sale, so I needed a mouse because, like I said, I broke it. And it's super freaking epic. Air horn for being epic. Yes! As you can see, this is the Ghost PewDiePie edition. If you haven't heard of PewDiePie, he's a YouTuber. I've been watching him for... Oh, Pikachu fell down. I've been watching him since I was, you know, younger. I like him. His mouse is really sick. I picked it just for the colors that would match my setup. Like I said, it comes from Ghost. I got a bunch of keyboard stuff and little keyboard accessories from them previously, and they had a sale. I don't know if I said that earlier. Probably did. But they had a sale earlier on... This was like $20 off. I'll leave it in the description if you guys are interested and you're avid PC gamers, if you want to see like some cool stuff for a good price, good quality stuff. But there's tape on it. Let's go ahead and scissors. Go ahead and get this tape off the top, tape off the freaking bottom. Close the scissors, put those away so they're out of my way from getting hurt. Let's go ahead and unveil. What do we got in the box? Anything cool first? Okay, everything's just gonna fall out. Oh, let's go ahead and sit that down for right now. Let's go ahead and sit that down. We got a warranty card, free extended warranty because they're super nice. And you know, for me, a warranty is key because, like I said, I'm aggressive. I break things. I don't mean to. I'm a hard gamer. I game hard. Okay, I game freaking hardcore. They give you a quick start, which has information, different languages. Apparently, they have an app so you can change all the lights in the mouse. We'll play with that later. I'm not going to do that here on the video. I might do a video on this after I use the wall and figure it out. It shows we can change all the other fancy DPI and stuff and colors. Fancy. I'll read this later. I can't read. I'm just kidding. I can read. I just don't want to. That's just not what we're taking care of right now. Got a little Ghost gaming mouse plastic. Go ahead and lay that down. Put it in the box. You know, I keep the boxes for, you know, I save them to like Christmas, and I like put my family's presents in. It's my gifts to myself's boxes, so it looks weird. And they're like, I don't need that. And I'm like, oh, it's just a box. But anyway, let's go ahead and check it out. You have the Ghost mouse. It's red and black because it matches my microphone and all my other parts of my setup. It's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and get this thing out. Let's not drop it because I don't want to not have any damage. There's that. We'll put that down. Put that down. And let's go ahead and pull this out. Ooh, okay. Got a little tucked away in the back here. But we got a really nice braided cable. If you're a gamer, you know that braided cable is life. It's USB. It's actually really light. It's got a little, if you can't see it, there's a light in there. It's got a bro fist, so you know what the bro fist is. It's got holes in it to be lighter. Ghost logo on the back. How's the button sound? A little bit of asthma for you guys. That feels really nice. It's actually really light. Let me slide it across the table. That's light. Can't wait to play with this thing. This thing's super, super sweet. I'm pretty stoked just to get it lit up and put on the setup. And now I can actually play games. You can see in it, it's light. Hopefully I won't be as aggressive. I will not be. I'm going to tell myself. Look at me right now on the camera. You will not. I mean, will not be aggressive. I got you. Dap me up. Dap me up. Okay. Okay, I dapped myself up. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked. It matches my setup. If you guys can see my microphone right here. It's red. My keyboard is red, black, and white. My computer, currently I can change colors, but currently my computer's red. So it matches. It's light. Hopefully this makes me probably not a better gamer, but I like this. It's got really nice buttons on it. It's pretty simple. I like the whole simple mouse. Few buttons. I don't need anything fancy, but it's red. It's got a really cool design on it. I'm stoked about it. Like I said, link will be in the description if you guys want to check this stuff out. It's really, really good stuff. Like I said, used it before. Check them out. Spend your money if you want to. They're really awesome. But I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to play around with my new toy. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already done so. I really, really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe with the bell for more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Should be something cool. Should be something cool. You guys take care. Stay safe. And as always, keep on gaming. Sick Nasty Beanie Bros Squad fam. See you guys next time. Bye!